Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to start with new chapter 19, Fundamental Operations in Algebra. So, first we have addition. Let's take 5 apples and let's add 3 mangoes. When we have to add 5 apples with 3 mangoes, can you say the answer? How many apples do we get? Or how many mangoes do we get? Or can we say that 5 apples plus 3 mangoes equals 8 apples? The answer is wrong. And can we say that 5 apples plus 3 mangoes gives us 8 mangoes? Again, the answer is wrong. Why cannot we say 5 apples plus 3 mangoes gives us 8 apples or 8 mangoes? In both the cases, the answers are wrong because these are different objects. Apples and mangoes, since they are different objects, so we cannot add them. And in algebraic terms, if we say, they are unlike terms. So 5 apples plus 3 apples, if you have to add 5 apples and 3 apples, the answer is very easy. We get 8 apples. We can add them because they are same objects. And in algebra, we consider them as the like terms. So you can see that like terms are those terms which are of the same type. So over here, 5 apples and 3 apples, since they are of the same objects, similarly, we consider them as like terms in algebra. But if we have to subtract 3 apples from 5 mangoes, how many apples do we get? They are again unlike terms and they cannot be subtracted. So 5 mangoes and 3 apples cannot be subtracted as they are unlike terms. Similarly, we can say that addition and subtraction of unlike terms cannot be simplified. Addition and subtraction of only like terms can be simplified. As we have done it before, only like terms can be added or subtracted. So let's have a look at some examples. 5ab plus 8ab. Over here you can see that both the terms are ab each. That means both of them are like terms. So we can simplify them and the result will be 8 plus 5. First we add the numbers. The numbers 8 and the number 5 is added and the result is 13. And again we write down the types. That is, we write down the variable ab. So the result is 13ab. Similarly, 30xyz plus 12xyz. Just look at the variables xyz and xyz out here. Both of them are of the same type. That means both the terms are like terms. That means they can be simplified. So 30 plus 12, first we add the numbers. 30 plus 12 gives us 42. And again we have to write down the variables xyz. So the answer is 42xyz. Similarly, we can subtract the like terms over here. 12mn minus 7mn. mn is the variable and both the terms are similar. They are like terms. So again over here we subtract in the similar way. 12 minus 7 gives us 5 and we write down the answer as 5mn. Similarly, 5k minus 13k is equal to just check first that 5k and 13k, the sign in front of 5k is plus. There is no sign, means it's plus. And the sign in front of 13k is minus. They are different signs, and we have learned that different signs we have to subtract. So 5k and 13k, when you subtract 5 and 13, you get the answer as 8, and we write the variable k, 8k, and we write the sign of the greater variable, greater number. So over here, greater number is 13 and its sign is minus, so we write down minus 8k as the answer. So these are how we treat the like terms. Now, how do we treat the unlike terms if we have to add or subtract them? 5a minus 6b, as we have said that it cannot be simplified. So 5a minus 6b, if you need to simplify them, then the answer will be the same 5a minus 6b, because they cannot be simplified, so they remain as it is. Similarly, another example I'll take, 23xyz minus 14xy. Although both the terms have xy in common, but the second term over here does not have the factor z. So 14xy and 23xyz, they are not considered as like terms. So if they are not like terms, then again, similarly, just like the above, we write them as unsimplified, that is as 23xyz minus 14xy. So whenever you see whether there is addition or subtraction of like terms, wherever there is addition or subtraction of unlike terms, those expressions are written as it is without further simplifying them, because they cannot be simplified. So that's the end of our video. The assignment for you for this class is exercise 19a, page number 171, question number 1, 2 and 3. So I hope you like the video, and I hope that you have understood the concept. Thank you.